welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I'm Yesenia. Welcome to the squad. Please don't forget to subscribe before you go. Alright guys, so today we are going to be getting ready together, and I will be incorporating what I got in this month's Ipsy Glam bag into my routine. So if you guys want to learn how I got this look, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start off by priming our face, and I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Oil. You guys know that I absolutely love this stuff. I've been obsessed with applying oils to my face before makeup, just because I have mentioned before that my face seems to have been getting drier over time. So this has really been helping. So we're just gonna go ahead and like rub it in there. You want it to really get into your skin, and while it kind of like seeps into our skin and marinates, we're gonna go ahead and polish our nails. Alright guys, so now I'm going in with my polish. This one right here is from Inara Cosmo Beauty, and I'm obsessed. It's in the shade Proud Coat, and it's a really nice high gloss long wear polish, and I'm obsessed with the color, you guys. Alright, so obviously we've already primed our face with the Smashbox oil. Now I'm going to be going in with my Born This Way foundation, and you guys can tell that I'm a lot lighter than I usually am. I haven't fake tanned in quite a while, and I did, believe it or not, I did get some color in Bora Bora. Yeah, under my shirt, it's a lot less. I mean, this is not tan, but it's a lot lighter, let me just tell you. So I do not tan very well. My legs tanned fairly nice, but just like my upper body, like, is that a thing? Do you guys know? Like, is that a thing? Is somebody's upper body just like not want to tan? So I'm gonna be going in the shade Porcelain. You guys, wow. It's like really light for me because I usually always do like a fake tan, and I haven't since Bora Bora, but this goes on pretty nicely. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go in. Alright, so now I'm going in with this duo contour thing. Just gonna go in here to give us a little bit of color. And that right there is just gonna help kind of like define our jaw. So as you can see, it gives you like a nice, very like natural contour. Alright, now we're going to highlight our face, and I'm just going in with my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. I don't think I mentioned that I already had my balm on to begin with, but you guys already know the drill. We always have to have the balm on. This is actually the Tatcha lip mask that I've been raving about forever. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and set my face, and as always I'm using my Too Faced Sweet Peach Powder. We're just going to use the flat end of the sponge. Alright guys, so for my transition shade, I'm actually going to be going in with a bronzer. I really like this bronzer. It's from The Balm, and it's called Take Home the Bronze. And I'm just going to go ahead and go in here, like into the crease area. Just kind of very softly blend it out. Like, I love when it gives you that like very natural look. This is usually what I go to. Whatever bronzer that I'm gonna wear is what I usually will put on my eyes if I'm just gonna do like a classic like wing liner, just something really chill, like no makeup. I do like to add some dimension by just doing a little bit of the color that I'm gonna like contour with. So you see how really nice and natural that looks. But wait, we are going to add some color today. Now we're going to be going in with this really cool Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics, the Cosmic Light in the shade Pulsar. It is such a pretty like shade of blue, and I feel like you can go intense or not. And you can also use this stuff on your body and your hair. So If you ever like need some blue for your hair, this is it, honey. Alright guys, so for today's look, we are going to be doing a wing. So I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my liner. You guys know that I never start my liner at the beginning of my eye. I started about like 1/3, 1/4 in. And then we're just going to pull it out. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Can you see like what a difference like liner will make? And wait till we put on the lashes. Alright, so while our eyelash glue gets tacky on our eyelashes, we're just going to go ahead and just tap this in. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. Cosmetics liquid highlighter. You guys know that I have been absolutely in love with this stuff. It is amazing. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some on the back of my hand, just a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my sponge and just kind of like tap it in there. And you can like instantly see that it kind of gives you that like glow. You guys, I can't get over how cute my nails are. Like, they are honestly so cute. Alright, so my lashes are not ready yet, so now I'm going to be going in with my bronzer, and I'm actually going to be using it as a bronzer. And we're just going to go, ooh, that's a little harsh. We're just going to go ahead and blend that out. Alright, so our lashes are on. They're still drying, so as soon as they're done drying, we're going to go ahead and go over with another layer of liquid liner. But for now, we are going to go ahead and go in with our highlighter. And for our highlighter, I'm going to be going in with the Tarte Exposed Highlight. I really, really like this highlight. I've been using it non-stop lately. So I'm just going to go ahead and go in with this brush and then just kind of, I'm just kind of like tapping it. And I feel like this with the e.l.f. highlighter have really been just giving me a very like natural glow. What do you think? Do we love it? Alright, so for my blush, I'm going to be going in with this one right here. It is in the shade Exhale from this Profusion Blush Palette. I'm just going to go ahead and smile and just kind of bring that in. Alright guys, so as you can see, I fixed my liner by adding a little bit more and just covering that like white residue from the glue. Now for my lower lashes, I'm going to be going in with this Punk Volumizer Mascara from Douce. This is going to give us a really nice bold volume look. I really like the applicator. It's like nice and fluffy. I'm going to do the same to the other eye. Alright guys, so for my lips, I'm going to be going in with a vampy color. We're going to be going in with this one from NYX Professional Makeup. It is the Turn Up Lipstick in the shade Feline. Yes, it's like super lightweight. Alright, so if you don't have a liner, you can just go in with the brush. It blends out super easily. It just like glides on. Yes. Isn't it so pretty? Yes, color. So if you want to add a little bit more color, just go on there. And it's like glides on your lips. Alright guys, so for my last product in this month's Glam bag, I received the Marc Anthony Strictly Curls Miracle Treatment. I really like it because it is a non-sticky formula, which is huge for me since I already have thick hair. Anything that leaves any kind of a residue is a big no-no for me. So to finish off this look, we are going to be going in with some setting spray. I'm going to be using this one from Too Faced. It is the Festival Refresh. And if you guys haven't smelled this stuff, you are missing out because oh my god, it smells like all of my unicorn dreams, you guys. It is everything. It like literally smells like my childhood or something. I feel like I ate some kind of candy that smelled like this as a child. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe before you go. And again, thank you so much to Ipsy for partnering up with me on this video. Also guys, if you guys want to let me know what other kind of makeup looks or hair looks you guys want to see from me, feel free to just leave those down below. Again, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.